Professor Abronelli, tell us more about quantum physics, energy, different forms of energy.
Well, I'm not a physicist or a mathematician, although I love both of the subjects, and I have come to suspect that the mystical mind is in many ways has seen intuitively or not the shape of the universe that the modern quantum physicists talk about. So that even as a theologian, I feel somewhat comfortable with a lot of the ideas, the mathematical and the quantum ideas that are being talked about, and have now begun to feel sort of comfortable in the prospects that a lot of the physical phenomenon that the mystics were talking about, because they sense to it, and which have now been validated in a lot of physical, in quantum physical ideas, that they also refer to multiple dimensions or infinite dimensions. The mystical ideas and talk about infinity going in many ways, and this seems to be what the physicists are talking about. It's a bit awkward, because if you're not a physicist, people might say that you're speaking religion and it's nonsense. But I'm sort of mimicking the physicists and who are saying that this is what this seems to be what's happening, and have now have some regained faith in the intuition of the mystical mind to have imagined how it may be, and it seems that language in many ways is the way in which the life force of the universe, in mystical talks it's the divine life force, but this idea of divine is very easily interchangeable with gamma radiation, frankly, from the very first force in the universe. So I'm employing poetic license or theological license to reinterpret early religious instincts about first life forms, and now to, if one can replace that with the energy which is at the source of consciousness, and that so I feel comfortable in this discussion, and I'd also like to contribute to it, and I think that we will find, to the contrary of what the atheists are saying, that religion is a drag on the scientific quest for clarity. I think that the religious mindset is a prism, and actually a continual. It is actually intuitively, its logic is intuitively to create in a positive way, which is interesting because it treats this very fluid force, this conscious force, in a way that it should be directed towards positive issues. So it really does reflect, wisdom